on 1st of October 2022. It's me, Imad, from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So you can see that we have a mature plant of Dudleya Greene rose, or it is also called as Greene's life or Greene's life forever. Okay, so it is a succulent plant, and you can see that the plant which we are dealing with is having a lot of multiple branches. Okay, now we can remove some of the leaves, okay, with the help of so we can grow them via leaves as well as via stem cuttings. Okay, now we have taken our first cutting. Okay, we also used to remove the lower leaves because you have to do it. Why it is so? Because they can when they used to be intact with the soil, they can cause some sort of fungal rot. Okay, I also isolate a very little baby plant. Okay, you can see that. Now 2 of our cuttings have been taken. Now this is our 3rd cutting, this is our 4th cutting, and this is our 5th one. Okay, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, we are just cutting out each and every cutting, and after some days you will see that there are some new shoots. Okay, because in my area the summer used to be very good for succulent to grow, because our temperature usually remains like up to 33 to 36 degrees Celsius. So that is why. Okay, and so we can see that. Okay, now we have taken a lot of cuttings. Okay, now this is our last cutting, I think. Yes, okay, our second last. Okay, I have taken it out. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay, now you can see that we have removed all of our stem cuttings. Okay, and the plant used to be very old, maybe it's 3 years. Okay, it is of 3 years of age. Okay, so we have taken a lot of cuttings. Now we have to place them in a shady place so they can get dried. Okay, so and you can even put them directly, but the rate of success will then become low. Okay, due to fungal rot, so they will become heal. Okay, now after some days, that is on 5th of October 2022, now we have taken our media in disposable glasses. We can see that we have 5 of the disposable glasses, on very cheap price. Okay, and our media consists of 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil, and garden soil has a lot of clay component as well. Okay, obviously there is some bit humus in our area, because our area is very much green, but still we can see some lumps and some clay component in our garden soil, but still it is okay, because these succulents do not need a lot of fertilizers. Okay, now we can see that our wounds are healed up. Okay, so now we are just putting, we can just put directly like this. Okay, and like this, and don't water them heavily. Okay, you should have to water them first On first time you can water them, and then after you are not supposed to water until the upper layer becomes totally dried. Now I will put one more, this one, and these I have placed fourth of our cuttings, and this is our fifth cutting. Okay, I will obviously place the other cuttings as well after some time. Okay, now our 5 cuttings are now placed inside the media. Okay, after some days, that is on 27th of December 2022. Now you can see that after like months, okay, months, because it is like I think that 2 months, okay, or more than 2 months, okay, because in November the succulents used to grow less, okay, because of cold. So okay, now we have to tape. Okay, it is the root ball of Dudleya Greene rose, and now I will tape it out with my finger so that you can see the root development as well. Okay, now I just need to wash it with the water so that we can see the roots properly. Wait so that I can like because media is a little bit hard. Okay, now you can see the roots properly. Okay, now this is our result, and okay, this is the second root ball, and the roots are just clinging to the media. Okay, I tape it out and you can see the result. The result is not so much like although it is satisfactory, but we can't say that they grow a lot. Okay, why it is so? Because I have placed, although the success rate is 100%, it is obvious fact, because I placed like 20 cuttings. Okay, so now you can see that this one has even grown some babies. Okay, this one, okay, this cutting, okay, you can see 2 of babies. Okay, because I am outside my home for like 2 months, so they are just they are just vulnerable to the weather as well. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the Dudleya Greene rose within simple sand and soil media. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.